Goal of voluntarily reducing heavy metals in baby foods. You can find the full report at CBS2News.com.
All right, well, mostly sunny. The temperature's also a bit warmer, made for some snow melt today.
Yes, a whole bunch.
Yeah, let's check in with Lonnie to get an update on our forecast now.
Yeah, and it's going to be even milder tomorrow. Now, some places could start off the day with a little bit of snow out there. Not a big event, all right, but there could be an inch or two north and west of the city. We talked about that at the top of the show, but right now, let's talk about what's going to be happening beyond just the next 24 hours. There's your cool picture of the southern tip of Manhattan. It's mostly clear overhead. It is 42. 42 is, in fact, the highest temperature of your day. Typical would be 40, so you were 2 degrees above the average. There's some of that melting that KJ and Maurice were talking about. 31, the starting point this morning. Well, for your day tomorrow, 44 degrees, a little bit milder still. But remember we talked about some precipitation during the first half of your day. Could be some snow out there. It wouldn't be a lot. It would be north and west of New York City. We're talking an inch or two. New York City, you're looking at rain tomorrow. So that's my day. It'll be a brighter afternoon as you push through. What happens after tomorrow? Well, here you go. Up and over we go. We talked about that storm for tomorrow right there. Again, snow north of the area, rain for New York City. It's a quick hitter. It's in, it's out. Boom. Now, all that anybody's talking about is Super Bowl Sunday. And Maurice's ears are perking up. I'm sure yours are as well. Well, here is the absolute latest, all right? There's still some disagreement between all the models, but the chance now for accumulating snow is back on the table. It's possible. It would not be as big as our last storm. Far from it. But the idea of a total miss is less likely today than it was yesterday. And the reason why I bit on the total miss yesterday is because all the models there was a consensus. They were all in agreement. There wasn't a single model saying, hey, here comes the storm. Everybody had it going in different directions. It wasn't our storm. Well, today, I got two models, pretty reliable models, that are saying these two pieces of our storm are going to be merging. Now, one's up in the Pacific Northwest, one like around Texas and Mexico. All right, the question is, how do they interact? How do they interact? Is it right in our area, or does one come in first and the second one? That would be a very sort of minor event. Well, let's take a look. Here you go. This is your Super Bowl Sunday Futurecast. You look at that first system and the second system. They're going to be merging here. This is the GFS model, and sure enough, there's the merger. There's your snow. There's rain on the south side. But notice the rain-snow line is south of New York City. Well, the European, which is another really good-looking model, you can put that one into motion, and here comes that first piece. There's the second piece, and again, there's the merger, okay? Snow north, rain south, the rain-snow line basically right there at New York City. So I know you want to know from me, how much snow are we talking about with this? And here's what I'm going to tell you. The numbers are all over the place. Overall, right now, the smallest that I see would be 2 inches, okay? It could just be like 2 inches, like a 1 to 2 inch range for some spots out there. There are some models that have much bigger numbers. What I need to see is now I need some consensus. I need a couple, 2, 3 models on top of each other saying, nope, this is what it's going to give you. It's going to give you and I'll have that, I think, by tonight at 11 p.m. If not, it's going to take one more model run, and at least we'll have it for you tomorrow morning. But it's looking more like we see snow on Super Bowl Sunday. So across the board, guys, 44 for your Friday. Rain in the city, a little snowy action out there north and west. Saturday, 38, and then Sunday, 37, and it does look like there would be some accumulating snow. Monday, you're 30 degrees. The cold air is in place, and the next chance for snow after that would be Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. So I hate to flip-flop on you here, Mo, but it does look like the chance for snow is back on the table for Super Bowl Sunday.
Super Bowl in more ways than one.
There you have it, guys.
See you, Lonnie. Thanks.
All right.